is our new slide software. It's a perfect integration of our many excellent slide software and our Signage slide software. It's easier, smarter, and more convenient than the past. If you want to get different letters, I'll revise a few parameters on this page. For example, I want to print multiple models on the face. I just choose panel multiple colors. I will get this beautiful signage. Slow, standard, faster printing mode for your choice. It supports many languages like English, Russian, Korean, Polish, German, Brazilian, Slovenian, Spanish, Turkish, and so on. It is compatible with all our 3D printers. In short, it is the result of our 3 years of our work, and it was produced by combining all customer needs.